everybody. All right, it's Friday, and that means everyone wants to come and do homework with me, right? Okay, so today we were working on making equivalent fractions in Miss Heinrich's class. So let's go ahead and tackle this. It's not terribly difficult once you know what you are doing, okay? So this is what it looks like on Google Classroom. And then we have to make the numbers in this fraction bigger. But these fractions are actually the same fraction. The numbers themselves just look bigger, okay? So how do we do this? Especially if I am not super fantastic with my multiplication tables. So we have multiplication charts for anybody. If you do not have one, please ask for one. They will make your life easier. Okay, so I've got my chart right here. And my question is, what can I multiply 4 by to get 8? So there's two ways that I can do this. First way is I can look at my handy dandy multiplication chart. Okay, and I can see on here that here's an 8. 4 times what equals 8? Oh, 4 times 2. So I can put a 2 in here. And now I'm just going to double check because the number on the bottom has to be exactly the same. So 10 times what equals 20? 10 times 2, yep, 10 times 2 equals 20. So this is correct. My equivalent fraction is 2 over 2. That'll change this fraction to this one. Okay? Let's try another one, but this time we're going to do it a different way. Okay, so here's our second one. Our second one is 3 divided by 8, 3/8 times something over something equals 24 out of 64. And yes, I totally just realized that that is not number 2. It's actually number 3. So sorry about that, guys. I can't read. So my other way to do it is, if I don't want to use my multiplication chart, then I can pull out my handy dandy calculator. So here's my calculator. Now I want to know what's going to turn a 3 into a 24? So I'm just going to work backwards. 24, opposite of multiplication is division. 3 equals 8. Okay, now I'm going to check my math and make sure that it's right. Okay, ready? Is 8 times 8 64? Yep, sure is. So I know my answer is correct. It is 8 over 8. Okay, let's do one more. Let's see, calculator or chart? Let's do a calculator. I like calculators. Okay, let's see, let's do number 5. Since apparently I'm just going down the stack. I have 10 over 25, so 10 25ths times something over something, yes, I know the bell's going to ring, equals 40 over 100. Okay, so here's my calculator. So let's just work backwards. Here we go. 40 divided by 10 equals 4. So a 4 must go here. Okay, let's double check. Let's work backwards for this one too, just for fun. 100 divided by 25 equals 4. Yep, those guys match, so that must be correct. Okay, so now the question is, how do I do the other ones that already say divide? Well, let's go ahead and let's see if we can squeeze 3 of these in here before 4th period comes and beats my door down. Okay, number 7 is 4 over 20, so 4 20ths divided by something over something equals 1 fifth. Now this is the one that we're going to be doing the most often. Okay, so now what I want to know is 4 divided by what equals 1? Okay, so I am just going to divide. 4 divided by 1 equals, oh look at that, it's a 4. Let's see if it's right. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Yep, that one works. Okay, let's keep going straight down. Number 9. We have 9 over 33 divided by something over something equals 3/11. Okay, so let's divide. Here we go. 9 divided by, oh, I hope that glares not in a bad way. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Okay, let's make sure that works. 33 divided by 3 equals 11. Sure does. Must be right. Okay, last one I'm going to do. Number 11. 35 divided by 100. So 35 100ths divided by something over something equals 7/20. Okay, get out of that glare. Okay, here we go. 35 divided by this number, 7. That gives us 5. Okay, now let's check it. 100 divided by 5 equals 20. Perfect. All right, so we know that all of these are correct. All right, so go ahead. If you've gotten this far, you can see that it's pretty easy. You just got to make sure you're using your calculator or your multiplication chart, whatever's easier for you. Calculator is easier for me, so that's how I'm rocking it. All right, you guys, let's get this done. Evens are all yours.